It's a glorious morning in 2025. The mild absurdity of our headlines, however, is not lost on us. A humorous spin is unavoidable when the headlines scream, USA and Canada merge into a singular nation. The situation is surreal, like a bizarre Simpsons episode come alive. Two animated news anchors, an overenthusiastic American and a dry humored Canadian, colorfully illustrate the awkward blending of two distinct cultures. Between town hall debates on the right, way to hang toilet paper and campfires, roasting marshmallows, democracy has never tasted so sweet or hilariously absurd. Citizens swapping hockey pucks for baseballs, Mounties enjoying their first rodeo, the state of Alaska finally feeling a little less lonely. The cultural exchanges are simultaneously perplexing and endearing. But it's not all hot dogs and maple syrup. The tension runs high as world leaders make exaggerated bids and political commentary flows like Niagara Falls. While the world watches, bemused and bewildered, are we witnessing a cultural train wreck or the birth of a harmonious utopia?